Hello, my YouTube family. How are you doing today? Glad to have you back on the channel. And if you are a first time on this channel, please do well to make this never be your last time here. And how do you make that possible? Simply hit the subscribe button and smash the notification bell. And you know what? You're going to be glad you did. Okay? Because we're sharing premium content here, and it's one thing that as long as you come here, one thing we promise you is that you're definitely going to be taking value for your time. Okay, getting value for your time. So let's get into the business of the day. Now, today I want to talk to us about the dynamics of the um, levels counting in the market maker method. Okay, so we're going to let's say we have the let's say we have the daily chart. Remember what I said? If I'm taking a sell, if I'm looking at a sell on the daily chart, it's going to be something like this. Okay, we get the level 3, and then a drop, a consolidation or pullback for level 1, drop, consolidation or pullback for level 2, and then we do what? We get a level 3 consolidation. So this is for the daily time frame. Okay, so I'm going to call this D1. Yeah. Now this same move here, we're going to be seeing it on the H4 time frame. Now I want you to take note of something. From here to here is the level 1 drop. Okay. Now this is what you're going to be seeing for the level 1 drop alone on the H4 time frame. You're going to be seeing something like this. Okay, so if you notice, this part is going to give you is going to give you an M, yeah. This part is going to give you an M, yeah. While this part too is going to give you a W here. Okay, so then we're going to get our 3 levels also, 2, 3. Okay, then we get that here too. So you see, now what does that tell me? That 3 levels of drop on the H4, 3 H4 levels, okay? 3 levels H4. It actually makes up what? 1 daily time frame level. 1 D1 level. Okay? So, and this is something that you're going to be seeing on the charts, okay, shortly. Now, so that means for the second level, we're going to be having the same thing too. Do you understand? So we're going to get 3 levels here. We're going to get 3 levels here of H4. 3 H4 levels. And also 3 H4 levels. Okay? So it's that simple, guys. And guess what? Even on the H4 time frame, okay, you're going to see that 3 H4 levels, 3 H1 levels actually make up 1 H4 level. So I need you to take your pen and paper to jot this down. Now, because on the chart, a lot of people try to customize their own charts in several ways, okay, to make it suit them. You see them having different time frames like H2, H12, H6, and all of that. However, for the sake of what we are trying to do here, okay, we have specific time frames that we focus on. So 3 H4 levels, like I said, 3 H4 levels make up 1 daily level, and also 3 daily levels. So I'm going to put that up. 3 daily levels actually make up 1 weekly level. Okay, 3 D1 levels actually give us 1 weekly level. Okay, then 3 H1 levels gives us 1 H4 level. 3 M15 levels, okay, give us 1 H1 level. So please and please, you need to take note of this. This is very, very, very important, guys. Very, very important. All right, I want to believe you've written that out. So I'm going to wipe this off now so we can go straight into the charts, and so I can show you how to count your levels. All right, so this is actually volatility index. Now, guys, I will always tell people, okay, the market maker method of trading is something that you can see virtually any chart. Okay, whether it's cryptocurrencies, volatility, forex, stock, whatever, you would always see the patterns in play. So that's why it's very important you understand what we're doing here. Okay, guys. So this is volatility indices. Now, as you can see, the market created a peak here. So I'm going to use a rectangle. This is my daily chart. Okay, the market created a peak, or better still, now I'm going to start from the weekly chart. So look at the weekly chart. Remember what I told you. I said every time, at every point in time, we have three pushes. So I'm going to use this to mark the weekly chart. So this is the first weekly rise, okay, the first weekly impulse. So we call this the level one, okay, we call this level one rise, on the weekly chart. Then this is its consolidation, and then we had our level two rise, okay, and then we had our what, level three rise. Now, for the sake of time, okay, I'm not going to go back to start looking into this. However, if you look carefully, you will notice something, that from here you can already see that we have three daily levels in this one. Now, look at what I mean. This is the first push for the daily level. This is the second push for the daily level. And then this is what the third push on the daily chart. So you see, guys, this is something very interesting and beautiful. Okay, so now after the third level, remember what we said. Now the market will try to change direction. Okay, there will be a reversal. Okay, so and that is where I want us to focus on in today's class. Okay, so I'm going to go straight to the daily chart. Okay, so before I do that, look at what I was explaining the other time. So this is the first daily rise, the second daily rise, and the third daily rise, giving you what, a complete level on the weekly time frame. Okay, so but that's not what I want to focus on today. That's not my area. Now I want to focus on this area. Okay, so now this is the point of reversal. So what do we do here? Now we're going to have to count the levels, okay? The levels. Now, the market did what? On the daily charts, it dropped. Sorry, I'm still trying to get rectangle. Okay, so yeah, so this is one level, okay? The market created a peak and then went down one level. Now you are going to see something. I'm going to use this. Remember, this is not a weekly chart. This color is actually for the weekly chart. So I want to change this to yellow for the daily. Good. So looking at this, you'll notice something, that I have a complete level drop on the daily time frame. Now, this complete level drop, okay, you're going to remember what I said. Three H4 levels make up one daily level. So I'm going to move straight into the week H4 time frame, sorry, and then you see what I'm saying. So this is my H4 time frame. What did you see? Yes, we had a week of drop. I'm going to change the color. I'm going to use something like this, okay, dark orange. Yes. So the market created a peak and then gave us a week, actually 2 weeks of drop. Okay. Then what happened? Market also came back, gave us another drop. Okay. And also, what do we have here? A third level. Guys, this is an eye opener. If you can really look at charts to perfect this, you understand that trading is very, very, very simple and interesting. Okay, guys. So that is it. So we have that. Then I'm going to focus on. Okay, then you see what happened. The market did what? Reversed after what? Completing the three circle of the H4, which is a complete level. Remember, we said that whenever the market drops a level, what happens? It does what? It consolidates or reverses, as it retraces. Okay, so this part you're seeing here is exactly what is happening here. Can you see that? Simple stuffs, guys. Simple stuffs. You just need to practice this and backtest this. Okay, you see this playing out in every single chart. Okay, now I'm going to go to this particular H4. What's it called? To show you something. Let's move over to the H1 time frame. Remember, we said 3H1 time frame gives us what? One H4 level, right? Good. So I want us to look at that. One H4 level. All right. So I'm going to bring my rectangles again. Okay. So I want to use this now to calculate my levels. Now I'm going to change this. The H1 property, I'm going to use white. Yep. Okay. Okay. Sorry. This is actually an error. Okay. All right. Yeah. For my H1 levels, you're going to see something. So this is the first what? The first H1 drop. Okay. That's the first level. This is the second level. And then this is the what? Third level. So you see how we were able to count our levels. We can still do the same thing even when we drop down to the M15. Okay, M15, look at the pound yen. So I'm going to start from the weekly chart. Now, from the weekly chart, you will notice something. Pound yen has been on a rise. Now, look here. This is the weekly chart, the first weekly rise. Okay, then what else? This is the second weekly rise. And then this was the third weekly rise. And then what did the market maker do? They gave us an extended stop hunt before reversing. Okay, they gave us an extended stop hunt before reversing. They try to vary the thing. So sometimes you see, instead of them to give you a straight away M and W like this, okay, now you see something like this. First leg, and then they'll stretch the second leg so that people will still think, oh, we are buying, and then they drop. Okay, so that's exactly what happened here. So as you can see, this is the third leg, the third level. Okay, this is the third level, and that is supposed to be the first leg of your M. Okay, so we're supposed to have we now have something like this. Okay, we're supposed to have our M here, but then they stretched it, they extended it. Okay, so guys, with practice, you will understand all of this. Now I am going to go straight to, so I want to count the levels on this particular chart to know where we are currently in the market. So let's say, yep. So the peak has been created. Okay, so I'm going to drop down to the weekly chart, the weekly time frame. Sorry, the daily time frame. Okay, now on the daily time frame, what is this telling me? Now it's telling me that where's my shape? Where's my rectangle? Okay, this is telling me that I've gotten a day of drop, okay, a daily chart of drop or a month of drop, like we call it, okay, on the weekly chart. Now I'm going to go back to yellow. I like using yellow for the daily chart. So we've gotten a week of drop. Now inside the week of drop, sorry, the month of drop, we're going to see that we can count our H4 time frame. So I'm going to change this to dark orange for the H4. This is 1. This is 2. Okay, now let me just move over to the H4. This is okay. This is level 1 of the H4 time frame. Now this is the level 2 drop on the H4 time frame. And this is what? The level 3 drop on the H4 time frame. Then what happened next? The market reversed, okay? The market did what? Reversed. As you can see, this is a W. Simple stuffs, guys. This is what I've been screaming all over the past few videos. Simple stuffs. After 3 levels of drop or rise, what happened? The market either creates a W or an M and moves away. Okay, so now I'm going to count the H1 levels. I'm going to count the H1 levels here. Guys, I'm doing this so you understand how to count your levels, how to mark your levels. I know it might not be so easy for you at first, but with constant practice and all that, you're going to get it and be very good at it. So I want to change the H1 to white or any color that looks like white. Okay. Yeah. So this is my H1. So I had a first level drop after creating the peak. Then we had a second level drop. Okay. And then a final level drop. And then what happened? The market moved away. And then I want to also show you something. Now you remember what I said initially, okay, that if we have D1, the daily chart like this, okay, if this is your daily chart, your H4 is going to present this same leg is going to be presented as an M on the H4, okay, while this is going to be presented as a W. So you're going to see something like this. While this is also going to present itself as another M. Okay. So, guys, I want to show you something. Did you notice something? This is actually a reversal of the. This is actually supposed to be a reversal. Now we're on the H1 chart. Can you see something? There is a W here, and what? There's an M here, and also what? A W. Guys, this is just too simple to understand. I want to believe that you're following what we're doing. If you have any question on how to mark levels and all that, maybe anything you still don't seem to get, just drop your comment on the comment section, okay? And please do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed to the channel. And please, guys, share this video to as many people as possible. We need to expose the market makers, okay, and get all the money they've stolen from us. So thank you so much, guys. I believe you've learned something, and I'll see you in the next video.